If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the How You Doin' bowler bag, a Sincerely Jen pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So this is the perfect bag to accent a vinyl or a print or what have you for the front and back panels. This one here is just so cute in the cats. It's got a zipper with a double zipper pull that goes all the way around, which enables this bag to open up really big and open. This one I've done with 2 slip pockets on one side and a zipper pocket with decorative overlay on the other side. We have purse feet on it. It can have shoulder straps like I've done here. This is a shoulder length strap. Or you could have shorter handles as well to make it more of a handbag. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one.